I love when a customer comes along. Shout out to my new friend Reggie. I just ceramic coated her Buick Envision a couple days ago. But they ask questions. They want to know the best way to clean their vehicle with a ceramic coating and also how to clean the wheels and tires. I love rinseless washing, that hero video that you saw on my YouTube channel for paint, trim, and glass, but I don't love it for wheels and tires. So I'm going to show you my process. Minimal products, garden hose, couple brushes, a bottle that you can easily get on Amazon or from me to clean your wheels and tires. And when we wash our vehicle, we want to start with these because they are the dirtiest part of the vehicle. We don't want to clean the whole outside body and paint and then come in and start spraying water on that dirty wheel and tire. So let's sit down. I have my garden hose in here. You can do this in your garage as well as you do with the rinseless wash. We're not going to put a ton of water on the floor. Anytime we wash our vehicles or do any cleaning, we want the surfaces cool to the touch, out of direct sunlight. If you just drove home, touch the wheel real quickly and make sure that it's cool to the touch. This thing is filthy. So the very first thing we're going to do is grab our bottle of DIY Details All Clean. DIYdetail.com, they run specials. If you buy a certain amount, they give you free shipping. If you buy it in this 16-ounce trigger spray bottle, it is ready to use. If you buy it in their gallon, it's a concentrate, and you only need 1 ounce of the concentrate to make a whole bottle. So once you try the trigger sprayer, you're going to love it. Buy the gallon later, but make sure you talk to me about how to properly dilute it. All Clean is perfect for really dirty floor mats, melting bugs, and then rinsing them off the front of the vehicle. Dirty lower panels, but perfect on dirty wheels and tires. The first thing I'm going to do is give this a little shake. Before I do any brushing or even spray water on it, let's do a quick pre-treat. We're going to wet everything with the All Clean. It's going to immediately start melting all that dirt and grime. So what we're going to do is pre-treat, let it work for about 30 seconds, rinse it off, spray again, and go into the cleaning. What we want to try to do is release as much grime and filth in a quick rinse before we go in and apply and start doing any brushing. While that's sitting for a minute, let's talk about a couple brushes I might recommend. You definitely want a green flag tip bristle brush. These are available on Amazon for like $5 to $10. These will be great on your tires. Great on your wheels if it's not a super delicate surface. These are a black gloss. I'm not going to use this on these wheels. You will want a Detail Factory or soft makeup style brush if you're going to be working on delicate black alloy or painted wheels. Chrome or maybe like stainless steel or a big truck wheel, sure, do both tire and wheel with this. Delicate detail brush. This little easy detail brush here on Amazon for about 15 or 20 bucks is perfect for getting in the barrel of the wheel, which we are going to do today. You don't have to clean the barrel every single time, but do it every couple washes so that junk doesn't build up on the inner wheel. And nothing looks better than a completely clean wheel in and outside. A dressed tire, it just makes the whole vehicle look beautiful. So we'll set this down. We'll take our hose. Let's do a quick rinse. Never let All Clean dry on any surface. My wheels are coated. These will be even easier to clean. Now we have the majority of the grime and dust and grime off. Let's do another spray. At this point, we can put a little bit on our easy detail brush and come right in and just get in and agitate. I like to do the barrel inside here of the wheel first. If it's getting real full of gunk, give it a quick rinse. Maybe do one half of the wheel, rinse it, and do the other half. You can see the dirt building up there, so let's give it a little rinse. It's not super important unless you have a huge, wide open sports car type wheel. We're not too concerned about how delicate we are on that inside barrel because you can really barely see it. But now we're going to move to the face of the wheel. And watch as we brush this, it kind of foams up. So I like to do the lug nuts and then come up and work in a clock so we stay in an order that we can stay organized. So I'm going to start and do just like a clock and work my way around Now we're down at 6 o'clock, and we're just helping that grime release off of the wheel. Same thing here. I'm not seeing a whole lot of dirt forming. A lot of that came off with the rinse. If your brush is getting dirty, please wash or rinse it out repeatedly as you're going here. We're almost done already, folks. The barrel is clean. The wheel is clean. Let's spray some on our green flag tip brush and degrease these tires a little bit. The trick to getting a beautiful tire before we were to dress it, which is another video, you'd want to clean it with a degreaser like this, APC, DIY Details Perfect. Rinse it, let it completely dry, and apply your dressing. So now, take our hose, let's rinse those brushes off, give it a final rinse, and we can let it air dry, or it's a good idea too to take your leaf blower and blow that majority of that tap water off the wheel so we don't have any risk of water spots. That is it. You can now let that tire completely dry and put on your favorite dressing. Thanks for watching, guys. Easy, wasn't it?